Jai Srimanarayana. Third sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kaschit Yatati Siddhaye Yatataamapi Siddhanam Kaschit Mam Vetti Tattvataha. Om. Human life is only the best opportunity to gain a genuine knowledge about Sri Krishna Paramatma. Make the best use of this human life opportunity. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall make the best use of the human life opportunity to gain a genuine knowledge about your esteem. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasamaskandham, 22nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, there are so many demons helping Kamsa. With all of their help, Kamsa started bothering, torturing all the kings who belongs to Yaduvamsam. So some kings could not bear it anymore and they all left their kingdoms and went into other countries. Whereas some other kings, they were helpless, so they started serving Kamsa, they started going along with Kamsa. Anyway, so Kamsa killed Devaki's 6 sons. Then Saptamo Vaishnavam Dhama Yamanantam Prachakshate Garbho Babhuva Devakya Harsha Soka Vivardhanaha. Then Paramatma's spark entered into Devaki's garbham as seventh child. That spark is known as Anantam Prachakshate, is known as Ananta. That is how all Maharshis praised that seventh child, that spark of Paramatma. Vishwarupudagu Hari Tannu Namminaya Duvulaku Kamsu Nivalana Bhayambu Kalugunani Eringi Yoga Maya Devi Kitlaniye. Then Srimannarayana called on Yogamaya, who is the Adhisthana Devata of Maya. Now, Paramatma is ordering Yogamaya like this. Ho Yogamaya, Gaccha Devi Vrajam Bhadre Gopa Gobhihi Alankrutam. You go to Nanda Vrajam where Gopikas, Gopalas, all of them are living. And Vasudeva's other wife Rohini also living there. There are so many other wives of Vasudeva because of fear from Kamsa. They are all living there. So what you need to do is Devakya Jatre Garbham Seshakhyam Dhamamamakam Tat Sannikrishya Rohinya Udare Sanniveshaya. You go ahead and take Devaki's Garbham and put in Rohini's Garbham without causing any harm to that child. That child is my spark, who is Sankarshana, who is also known as Adisesha. You have to take that child and safely put that child in Rohini's Garbham. Like that, Paramatma giving orders to Yogamaya. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 3rd sloka. Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye yatatamapi siddhanam kaschin mam vetti tattvataha. Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye yatatamapi siddhanam kaschin mam vetti tattvataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.